Rabbi, we're taking you to Baba Grill. Baba.
Rabbi wanted to eat Chick-fil-A for his birthday. However, he's always on burgers and fries, so we decided we will take him to a restaurant. Since our first option is always Mediterranean food, we decided we will bring him to Baba Grill, which was referred by my friend Ropa Hawk.
Looks so good. Oh, family combo. This is it.
You guys open, right? Okay. Let's go.
Baby boy. Is that still Can you fix it? Take it and fix it.
The picture of the food looked pretty good. The price seemed reasonable. So we ended up ordering a family combo, which fed 4 of us from one plate. It had 4 different kebabs, rice, salad, and bread. It was pretty good.
Sit here, Baba. Sit there. I'll take one picture of you. King Rabbi. You look like King Rabbi when you sit there. There's no one here though today. We're off hours, I guess.
The place was nice and clean and the service was friendly. So I think I would give 2 thumbs up. So it was 4 different kebabs, 2 of each. That gave us 8 kebabs, and I think that filled us up. It was pretty good, a good portion for all 4 of us. The food wasn't oily and it tasted pretty good, perfect for my kids.
Usually I wouldn't put it in my hand, but toys that Ryan helped me Open for business.
No? But you ate the whole thing?
I loved it. Okay, what should I
I
get?
know. My son from Guatemala always loved food.
Oh, my baby's cleaning up. I think he wants to work here.
He wanted to watch this. I'm watching this for him.
Okay. Be nice, Baba. Be nice. Go.
So this was Rabbi's birthday dinner or birthday lunch, and it was pretty good. He liked it. Even though he wanted Chick-fil-A, he also enjoyed this food.
Wait, guys.
Anyway, if you want to watch more of my videos, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and hit the bell button for more videos. Okay? I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye! Thank you for enjoying my Rabbi's birthday special. Signing off, Oceana Entertainment. Tuned in with us for more videos. Be happy, be safe, be careful, spread love.